Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda TRX450R Sport Quad. Big suspension, manual transmission, chain drive, liquid cooled. This bike is in fantastic condition. It's not going to be here long. Price to sell quickly at $49.99. No financing available on this, probably. Come on by and take advantage of this excellent condition. Only 34.5 hours on the hour meter. This bike is not going to be here long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.